again to Tango by Babies. So we look today into an exercise on ornaments, mostly for ladies, but also for men. So you know some ornaments we can do like chuck, 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 or these kind of things that we can do during the calicita, for example. So one common mistake that we do when doing these things is to move our knee. So the knee should be here fixed and only the lower leg moves. And what's very common when we start to learn these things is to start doing something like poke, 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 or just put the knee there and do something. Yeah. So for this ornament in particular, of course, there's many different ornaments. So here's one trick that you can easily do at home, and that will help you with this. Okay, so you take a baby, any baby, up. You put your leg in the right place with the knee there, and then you place the baby on it. Okay, so now it's much harder to move your knee. So just put the baby there and go tuck, 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 tuck. Or you can do chuk, 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 chuk. Or chuk, chuk. Yes, for bonus points you can try to go up and down. Book, 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 book. Yes, we are home alone and bored. And you're running out of ideas. But see you soon. Ciao, ciao.